come back, dawg. Back roads horrid. Come slide through Teine, we pull up to the porch, let me lay it out plain. Oh God. You rode out leaving dust on that gravel road, hard running on nail, but feeling the strains. Ain't no real cause you hit the highway, that's truth, you know it be. No cap. Late night staring at the moonlit fields, you playing our whole shoot. Truck windows down, radio low, trying to drown the quiet pain. Cruising these dirt roads slow, headlights glow, but nothing fills the space you made. Thinking about the porch swings, promises we whispered now, just winding the pines. Teine, why you vanished, come back around. Stop leaving this so hard behind. Now you tryna ease back to the spot where we start watching stars come out. Can't shake that ache, you caught it deep in my soul, that's the truth, no doubt. Don't tell what these feelings, keep it honest, no more running game. Need to leave for something solidly, sorry, yeah. Home here, pain, roll back to me like you're singing to you slow. Come on, come on, you love me hanging on that lonesome mood, why you do me so? Why do I? Ain't no real reason in the rear view, that's facts, no lie. No cap, no, it's been a while and I just wanna hop in the truck, lost in my feet. Sorry, I wait me the weeks, still glancing at the phone for you like a shine. Memories pass like summer storms, rolling, putting me under every time. Ride riding solo, hit the old honky-tonk spots, but it rings hollow now. Your laugh echoes in the cab, turning good times to a lonesome sound. Buddies say move forward, but this heart stuck in neutral, holding tight. Holding, dreaming of the night, swing back round, say sorry on the moonlight. Make it right, engine humming steady, little easy, trying to ease the hurt across the line. But every bend brings you back. Teine, no escape inside. No way. Now you trying to ease back to the parts we was to sway. That scar in my spirit still aching, no time feels it away. Still aching. No more chasing shadows.